So hi mga kapamilyang, nandito naman tayo sa another mini vlog. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa aking kaibigan dahil na-miss namin ang isa't isa. Char! Na-miss namin kasi we haven't seen each other for like a month or how many weeks, like ganon. So pupunta ako sa kanya para mag-jamming and to have fun. Susundan niyo yung aking journey. O diba, nakikita mo yung bagong sleepers yan, 255 yan. Oh, gandang-ganda. Parang clear skin tayo mga besh. So, ayan, travel lang. So ngayon nandito na ako, naghihintay habang siya hinihintay kasi maganda daw siya. May nakita kong pogi. Slow-mo. Okay, so ganun. Laro-laro kunyari. Diba? Mga anak ni Efren Bata Reyes yan tinitrain namin. Char! Parang magaling maglaro ng billiard. So ito lang ginagawa ko habang naghihintay sa kaibigan kong feeling Miss Universe. Si Manalo, ikaw ba yan? Hi!
Nag-vlog mo dito.
Hi na rin Sir Zoilo. Binatukan pa ako. Ay natirang Carlos Rossi sa kanilang rep. Char! So kailangan natin inumin to kasi sayang din. So I think anong oras ba ngayon? 2:30, inom na tayo guys. Sana mag tayong sumuka. Parang ganyan yung sa ibang bansa ginaganon. So, okay. Tikman natin ang lasa ng Carlos Rossi.
Carlo?
Carlo Rossi. I'm so sorry. I-try natin siya sa yung lasa ng rep nila ni sa Okay naman po siya. Medyo
Bakla.
grapes po ba ito?
Afternoon session.9 SI Peng
Ang aming singer for today's video. Here we go! People say that I'm a fool. I know. Not even if you smile, the sweetest smile. And even if you beg, it's always me. Whoa. I don't wanna be the one to wait for me. And even if you smile. Just not right for you. You can tell me you're wrong, see on my face and you say that it's not what you want. You're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want to stop, I know I can treat you better than he can. And you're the girl that you deserve. Gentleman, tell me why I'm wasting time. Or you're wasting pride, you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better than we can. Step time with the second you say you like me too. I just wanna give you the loving that you're missing, baby. Just to wake up with you, to be everything I need, and this could be so different. Tell me what you want to do, 'cause I know I can treat you better.